Alright guys, so we're going to be using this Adams Black Trim Restore. I finally got a chance to use it. What you want to do first and foremost is clean the trim itself and prep it ready for this restore. So that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do today. So let's get started. So you're going to want to take Adams tire and rubber cleaner along with their utility towel, and you want to make sure your trim is properly cleaned and prepped for the trim restore. Oops, I got it on the wrong setting here. So don't be afraid to use a little bit more on the towel, and you can see right away it's going to turn a darker color with this, only because it's penetrating into that trim just to get into those pores and really clean it. Now I'm not going to do the whole car all in one go. I'm going to do one panel just so you guys can get a true 50-50 comparison. Now you guys can see there that it's taken out all this grime, all of the dirt that's caked up in the pores of this rubber. It's just gross. This is what a clean side of the towel looks like, and that's just what this one piece of trim looks like. So I'm gonna go back over it with this side just to make sure I get every piece of dirt and debris, whatever is stuck in the pores here. I'm gonna do my best to get it out. Okay, see? It's doing a better job. So this was my first pass, this is the second pass. So I'm gonna flip it and just buff off any extra cleaning solution that might be caught. So there you go. This is the final pass, the final wipe down. So now what I'm gonna do is flip this inside out like that. I'm going to grab coating prep. This is going to be the second step before applying the trim restore. And what this does is just get the surface, there you go, it gets the surface of the trim ready to adhere that trim coating, or the trim restore. Stuff smells great. My first time using the coating prep, and man, that stuff smells great. Now if you get this on your paint, don't be scared. It's not a big deal. It'll come right off. Now I hope that sound you might be hearing in the background is not coming through, but it's landscapers doing some weed eating and tree trimming. So if you hear that, I apologize. Alright, so I've got the Black Trim Restore here along with their suede applicator. This is the same applicator you get in the ceramic paint coating, trim coating, and wheel coating. Now this glove is mine. You do get a glove in those kits, but I just pieced this one together. So just want to use a little bit. It will saturate into the pad, the applicator. Just with even pressure, making sure you're not glopping it in certain areas. Well, like I said, if you get this on your paint, don't worry about it. It'll come off. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry now and come back in about an hour and I'll show you the results versus untouched trim. So we'll be right back. Okay, so it's been about an hour and the trim is fully dry to the touch. As you can see, there's no rub off or transfer. Now, I didn't complete the entire trim. I probably should have, but I've got plenty of time now to do the rest of it. I want to show you the other side. Yes, the car's dirty, but that's what it looked like before. Very oxidized, very discoloring, and just sad. Now, a few months ago I dressed this with VRT, but VRT does not restore the pigment. All it does is saturate the trim with its water-based dressing and stays refreshed for a little while, like it does your tires. Now, the trim restorer actually restores the pigment of the trim. So as you can see, huge difference. Now I'm going to go around the rest of the car and finish. So thank you guys for watching this. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you on the next one.